Hey there, what's up, gals and guys? David and Mherah here. Happy Christmas, Merry New Year. It's time to check out the Christmas Carnival here at Marakina Riverbank in the Philippines. We had a good time. Check this out. Look at all these lights. Fantastic. We're going to go to the market here, and then we'll take you out on the ride. Hang with us. It should be pretty fun. They put their best foot forward with this stall. Look at all these bright lights. This was my favorite one out of the whole place. Even though I don't look too enthused there. I love that little fireplace thing. I was thinking about getting it, but then we looked at the price tag. It was $2,200. It can sit there for a little bit. Maybe next year. Anyway, look at this. Look at that little Santa there on the ladder. He's climbing up to a good time. Maybe his reindeers were slacking that night. Had a ton of shoes here. Look at these shoes. Chanillas galore. I think that was the name of this booth. I don't know.
You want to buy?
I got a general rule of thumb. I found a pair I wanted to buy, but my general rule is here in the Philippines at the market, you see so many things you want to buy and it's so cheap. You're like, ooh, I want this, I want that. So my rule is, I just don't buy anything. Oh, anyway, check out dude there. He looks happy. Look at these shoes.
Hey!
Yeah. That was the market, so we'll head on out and check it outside. Woo! They did it real good this year. Check it out. Butterflies in the trees. Look at all the lights, man. This was a sensory overload out here for real. Merry Christmas, yo. Haha, Christmas Carnival, man. Everybody's having a great time out here. We had a blast. We'll just give you a little rundown of what's going on. We'll show you some of the rides. Look at all the people having fun. Look at them all in the Christmas spirit. There are so many people here out walking, picnicking, singing, throwing things in the air. I wanted one of those little things. They looked pretty cool. Big old Ferris wheel there. Ferris wheel. See the Ferris wheel, fellas? All right, we'll get back to it.
Panda.
Look at the panda bear. Whoa.
Hangover. That's the Hangover.
If we're going to ride a ride, we should ride that. You watch it, you tell me.
So it was about this time we came up to this ride here. Check this out. It's called the Hangover.
Oh, it's so
Completely ridiculous. As the ride starts, everyone starts screaming. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Towards the end of it, they weren't saying nothing. They were suffering from a hangover. And gosh, this ride's crazy. I couldn't get Mherah to ride it. She was no fun. Then again, it was pretty expensive to ride. Anyway, we'll watch these guys barf.
Oh my god.
This ride's ruthless. Watch this. My guys are finna hit him with the triple up. Whoa. Man, crazy ride. Mherah agreed next time she'd ride it. Haha. Next up is the Ferris wheel. Look at that. It's lit up like a Christmas tree. Looks pretty fun. We had the same philosophy with the rides as we did with the store. We didn't buy or ride anything. We just ate a bunch of food, which ironically we do not show in this video. Oh yeah, there's the Ferris wheel. And then we head on over into the Midway. Look at this, Disney princesses galore. Everybody's meandering on through, having a good time, feeling rather jovial. A lot of jovial juveniles out here. Some pretty crazy rides over here. They had the pirate ship ride and the frisbee, which looked insane. They had some pretty crazy swing rides. I think I'll swing on past that one and do something else with my evening. Yeah, so we'll just check out what they got back over here. Oh, snap. It's the frisbee. Look at that Captain America shield up there. Nothing's going to shield you from this, man. This action-packed in your face. Craziness. The ride like spins around while it goes side to side. Looks pretty insane. I would ride it. Yeah, I don't think Mherah wanted to ride this one either, but it is what it is. Watch this ride. He's going to go crazy.
And now join David and Mherah for a slightly awkward, extra zoomed in interview on the lawn.
We're here at Marakina Riverbanks. Yeah.
What's up? We're having a good time. Just had some delicious food. What is up with my shirt? It's all stretched out. Looks terrible. Just had some delicious food. We had what? Quail eggs.
Quick. We have
Yeah.
quick. We have squid. But
French fries.
David don't eat the squid.
I like squid balls. They're not bad. Definitely not my favorite, but I'll eat them. I like the Japanese kind. We got some seasoned fries and some cheese sticks and some delicious lemonade. Really good. It's blue.
We have lemonade. Yeah.
Hey, thanks so much for watching, everybody. We had a great time. Thanks for joining in. Appreciate it if you could hit that like button. We will see you in the next one. Peace.